Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are talking about the maximum age of the universe. Basically, one of the person told that basically. Uh, for example, each and every body parts basically have basically each and every body parts basically connected with death. Then one of the person told that yes, basically each and every body. For example, head, heart, hand, leg, and stomach, private part, back part, each and every body parts. So one of the person told that what is the maximum level basically of death of each and every body parts. Then he told that for example, if you connect to this body part of the heart, border of the body part of the heart basically, or basically you cross that, then basically your you will get end basically. Same way head basically, same way eye basically. Eye got damage, your eye will get disappear, your hand will get disappear. Disappear means basically you can't able to connect. Your hand basically will get disabled basically, leg also basically will disable. Same way basically heart will get stopped basically. So he told that yes, basically there are basically maximum limit of, if the temperature basically will reach to the particular level, then basically your body parts will get damaged basically. Damage means if your heart will get damaged, then basically your life will get end basically. So like this basically lots of people say that basically we basically have the maximum limit of data basically, then basically your the body parts will get damaged. So same way basically universe group basically have same body parts basically. Then 90,000 year that group basically, that is who basically have the 90,000 year basically, who basically have the 90,000 year of age basically, that people basically who are staying in earth planet basically, people staying in the earth planet basically, their body parts basically how it is basically. For example, if normal person's heart will get beat will get to particular level basically, then hit heart will basically stop. Same way other people basically, same way other group basically. In with this case basically the 90,000 year age person basically heartbeat will reach to certain level, then basically then only basically his heart will get into trouble basically, otherwise basically it will not get into trouble. So this trouble is not supposed to happen basically. For that basically earth planet current generation basically, that is ram mandir ram ayodhya mandir group basically told that basically they can give 7 days basically. So 7 days include this each and every body part. So according to that only basically the ram mandir group basically, that is 3 city who created basically, and mumbai also given one railway station basically, that is ram mandir. They told that basically they can give 7 days basically, and in this basically mumbai also came into picture. So in future basically ram mandir group basically will not able to fulfill the requirement basically of the 90,000 year, then mumbai will also will get into trouble. So one of the person told that basically mumbai will also basically might be trying to help this group basically, that is the ram mandir group basically. 7 days they have given, so they are basically like this basically they don't give the 7 days na basically. So Mumbai city basically is there. They basically have good infrastructure, like JP Morgan company basically is there in the Mumbai city basically. They will do lots of 90,000 80,000 crore investment basically, because they have good money basically. So like this they are going to do 90,000 80,000 crore investment basically to the Ram Mandir group basically, so that this 7 days basically can be given. So that the 7 days basically can be given. So like this basically the 7 days can be given. For that basically this group also basically comes into the picture. Same way basically the one earth planet basically current generation has told that basically they will be going to give 1 month basically. So same way basically earth planet target basically is 90,000 year plus 1 month basically. So in same way basically this all death basically of the earth planet is connected with the set of words basically, which are basically the Oxford University group basically, who say that basically we are giving the data basically. In this basically the one of the satellite basically is there who says that basically within 1 second basically the entire 90,000 crore population will become powder basically. That kind of satellite basically also we have, because that means they know that basically this earth planet population basically can create problem to the universe basically. So that's why basically they have given this, they have kept this satellite also basically. So this will happen one day, that is 100% sure. So that's why I will mark into this some big character basically. Just a minute. Just so this I have marked because this is going to 100% going to happen. For that basically, this is not supposed to happen. Supposed to happen. For that whole world government are doing certain level of task. They are doing certain level of task basically. So in this one of the person told that basically Microsoft blood cells basically equal to what process? Microsoft blood cells process equal to this and this much age basically. So same way basically the here also basically we saw that basically person death basically is equal to what? Same way basically I just now basically taken the example of this basically. Same way this also basically universe also, this also basically we saw. Now basically again back to this basically, that is this basically. This already we have taken basically. This also basically we have already taken. This problem basically. This thing basically we are discussing basically. In this basically one of the person told that 22 blood groups basically are connected, right? Basically, then he told that yes, basically each basically have owner. Yes, basically 20% error basically are basically in the education part, that is 100% error. Somebody is trying to solve that problem basically. In this 200 people basically error is also there basically. That basically story we have already discussed. And there is one error basically of the Sunilar Nair basically, who is the story basically, which is telling that basically Sunilar Nair is not getting job basically. For that somebody is telling that basically we are trying to. But in the other side basically some group basically like Indian nationality group basically are in few internationally, all basically are one, that also need to check basically. Few groups are basically telling that basically we have fired Sunilar Nair basically. So for fired means basically we can finish anyone basically from this world basically. So this is also basically we are going to mark to little bit big basically. So that group is telling basically we have fired Sunilar Nair. For example, one person told that basically I have rejected Sunilar Nair. So whole Vadodara will going to reject Sunilar Nair. That example is one of the best example. One of the person told that basically our technical team basically has, and the technical team, do you know basically where is the technical? That also we will say basically. Just a minute. This is the company basically. I will tell you the one company name basically, which is that company basically who actually rejected my resume basically. In next video basically we are going to see that company name basically.